store-bought slime challenge. So these guys are a bunch of store-bought slimes, and some of them have store-bought slimes in them, and some of them have glue. So yeah. So let's get straight on into the video. What yo? Alright guys, so who should go first? I think we should do rock, paper, scissors. What do you think, Mom? Okay, let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you guys ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! Got you! Yes! Okay, so I go first. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one right here. Is it glue or is it a slime? Yes, I think I got a slime. Yes, I got a freaking slime, guys. Yes.
My turn, guys. I think I choose this one.
What is that?
I have no clue. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh.
It's slime!
Yes. Yay. All
right, next one. I don't know. I think we're gonna choose this one right here. What is this, glue or slime? I think it's glue. All right, it's yellow glue with glitter, gold glitter. Looks so pretty.
That's pretty. My turn. I think I want to choose this one.
What is that?
I don't know. We'll see. It's slime again, guys. Look at that, Ameerah.
It's scented too.
It smells. Give it to me right now. So good. Okay, you can have it.
Yay.
You can play with it.
It smells so good. Mom, you can't mix it already.
Sorry.
All right, my turn. I'll take this one. What is it? This is another green one. Oh, it's glue.
Oh, it's pretty glue.
It is very pretty. It looks so cool.
Okay, my turn. I think I want this one. What is this?
Ooh, that one's pretty.
It's pretty. Whatever it is. What do you think it is? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's slime. I thought it was glue. Okay, this slime's nice. Look at that. So jiggly.
Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. What the heck? Oh, it's glue.
Okay, why are you choosing all the glues?
I thought it was slime. Okay, well, I got glue.
My turn. I want this one.
Hey, you can't take both of those.
Oh, I took them. You mean I shouldn't, but I can. Is this
I wanted that one.
Oh my god, it's so pretty though. It's ooh, this is pretty.
Oh, why are you touching that glue?
It's so pretty. Look at it.
Okay. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna go with this one. Is it glue? Oh yeah, it is glue.
That's glue.
That is glue.
Okay, how many slimes have you gotten? Just one?
Yeah.
I got one glue.
Did you?
And it's pretty.
Yeah, you did.
That one right there.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty one. All right,
Okay,
my
go.
turn. This one.
Oh, I thought it was slime. That looks so weird.
Now I want ice cream. Look at that.
Okay, my turn. This one. What is it? Oh, I think
that's slime.
Yay, it's slime. Ooh, it's such a pretty pigmented slime.
Oh, that's pretty.
A maggot.
Oh, okay. All right, my turn. I think I want to choose.
Oh my god, no, there's a maggot in your slime!
You can have it back. I'll choose this one right here. Ah, it's glue. It's pretty glue though. Ooh, that's pretty. Your turn.
Oh my gosh, Mom, look what happened to this one. It fell.
Well, that was glue.
Yeah, I'm not choosing that one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one next. It is neon pink slime. Oh, yes, it's slime, finally. Okay, we'll put that right there. Your turn.
My turn. I think I want this one.
What is that?
It's glue!
My turn! Okay, which one?
It's so hard to choose.
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna choose. This one matches my little scenery. This is teal. It's slime! Yay! Oh, whoa. That's just going everywhere.
That looks pretty.
Okay, mix that in.
My turn. I think I'm gonna choose the same as you.
That's the same one?
Isn't it? Too?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's slime! No, is it? Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's
it is. It's very sticky. Okay.
Okay, my turn. Oh my gosh, I have no idea. This one. Oh, yes. I got a clear slime.
You think it's clear slime? Is
It is clear slime.
Whoa.
Look at how, whoa, look at how pretty it is. Oh no, I dirtied it. Okay, we're just gonna drip that into there.
I mean, it was clear slime? That's pretty.
Look at how beautiful. Hey, this is so pretty. Okay.
I choose this one. It's glue!
Oh, it's blue. That one looks so much like slime.
It did.
Okay, my turn. I need another green one. I'll take this one. This one looks pretty. Oh yeah.
Oh, it does.
Yes, it's slime. Look at how beautiful, guys. Okay, we're gonna put that right there.
My turn. And I'm choosing this one.
Oh, bucket of clear slime.
Aww.
Oh, it's just clear blue, but it's still pretty.
It is.
Okay, my turn.
Here.
I'm gonna have to go with this one right here because it's green. Oh, it's glue. I have a lot of green glue in here, guys.
My turn. I'm taking the other clear one. Excuse me.
No.
Hope it's slime.
A whole
I hope it's
bucket of
slime.
clear slime.
I hope it's slime.
It is. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so beautiful. Hey, could you spare a little? Could you spare a little? Yes, beautiful.
Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at that.
All right, my turn. I'm gonna have to go with this one. I think it's slime.
Does it smell like ketchup?
No, it doesn't say it smells well. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Plop.
My turn. I think I want this one. Oh, not that one. This one? I'll take that one. Glue.
Mom's is so colorful and mine is just green.
Mine's everywhere.
Because I have so much green glue in here, it just kind of covered everything. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna choose this one. Strawberry. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's glue!
It looks pretty though.
Whoa, that does look so cool. It reminds me of that Splatoon game. I think it's called Splatoon.
I'm choosing this one.
Oh, is that the freaking slime? Ooh, look at how cool this looks, guys.
It's glue!
Okay, my turn. We only have these ones right here. Seems like we don't like these ones too much. Oh, I guess we don't have this one. This one died. Rip that one. Yeah, I'm gonna choose this one right here. This is soda slime. Looks and feels real. What flavor is this?
Slime.
Slime.
Ooh, cool.
Oh no!
Does it smell?
Oh, it's like cola.
Smell it? This feels weird. Oh, it does smell. All right, I choose this one.
We should make a heart.
Look at this. Try.
That's pretty. It looks like a heart. My turn. I'm gonna choose this one right here. This oddly satisfying neat. Oh, it's glue. It's glue. It's orange glue. Ooh, this is starting to look really cool. It's like a neon smoothie slime thing. And I love it. Your turn.
Can we take a second to admire my heart?
It's beautiful. I liked it before.
I think I choose this one.
The macaroni and cheese one.
Is that what it is? Oh.
Ew.
Oh,
Wait, it's glue.
It's glue.
Looks like nice glue. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna go with this one. It looks really pretty. It's neon slime. I think it's gonna be slime. Oh, it's glue. This is gonna go really well with my little portrait I have going on here. Yes.
Pretty.
Beautiful. I should have made a heart.
Yeah, like mine. Mine's still here. All right, I choose this one.
I don't think we'd like these ones.
No. What is this? Oh.
Ketchup.
It really looks like ketchup. All right, Ameerah, shoes.
Sure. Okay, I got to choose this one.
Aren't they the same?
Oh, it's glue.
I choose
Okay,
this one.
I'm gonna try and make a heart with it.
Guys, hey, there. It's nice.
Oof.
Hot fudge slime.
No, it's not. It smells really good. It makes you want to have like a fudge sundae from McDonald's.
This one is slime. Don't tell me that.
Smell it.
I
Smell
want
it.
one
Smell
now.
it. Smell it. Smell it.
I want Can we go get ice cream?
It feels so
after
weird.
This? Can we go get a hot fudge sundae? Can we go get a hot fudge sundae, guys? Yes.
Alright guys, now it's time to mix our slime smoothies. I don't know who won. I don't know, but let's start mixing our slimes and see what we get. Okay, I'll go first. Yes, mine is a beautiful neon portrait and I love it. Oh, well, there's a maggot in this slime. I hope mine turns kind of like pearlescent. Oh, this is interesting. It looks cool. I like how it's halfway slimy and halfway glue. Kind of looks like vomit. I hope it looks like better afterwards, but right now it kind of looks like vomit. Oh, okay, that looks better. That looks better. Yes, let's just keep it like that. This is a weird texture, guys. Whew, this is hard. Do you guys think we're gonna need an activator? I don't know. It kind of seems like once I need it, kind of seems like it doesn't. But like at the same time, it's kind of like really melted. But I don't know. Let's continue mixing it. Okay, it's kind of starting to come together now. There's my ketchup. Okay, well now it kind of just looks like poop. But I do like the texture. It's so weird. It's like a halfway store-bought slime, halfway homemade slime. It's so weird. Okay, let's do some ASMR. Okay, there's not that much. There's no clicks. It feels so weird though. What does it smell like? It doesn't smell like anything. And ta-da! Here is my slime, guys. I don't know. I think we might need to give it a little bit of my makeovers because
I think it needs like an Ameerah touch or something.
I think it needs like an extreme makeover, guys.
An Ameerah magical touch?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so it's my turn now. And just gotta say this one right here, I think it became my favorite one. The one that I like waited so long because it now makes me want to eat ice cream and it smells delicious. And then after that one, it's this one. So yeah, let's see what happens. I actually got a lot of slimes, so you think I'm gonna, ooh, look at that one, Ameerah.
Oh, that looks so
Oh
pretty.
my goodness, look at that.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Do you think I'm gonna have to put activator? I don't, look at this, Ameerah.
Oh my gosh, it looks kind of like a galaxy.
It's so pretty. Ameerah, you have to see this. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay, Ameerah?
This is mine.
Look at this, guys.
Achoo!
Yeah! Oh my goodness, Ameerah.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. It looks like a unicorn waterfall.
Whoa! Look at the blue, the teal blue or green, whatever color that is.
Yeah, yours is so pretty. I wonder what color it's gonna turn. I feel like it's gonna turn to like a purple color. But that's like how it looks.
I hope it doesn't turn an ugly color. I don't think mine's gonna need activating.
Probably not. Do you have
Because I have so much slime.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
So here's mine, guys. It turned out pretty.
Yours turned out perfect. Like you don't even need any activator. It's like all, wow. Look at that. It's like so thick and it actually gives clicks. Look at mine. Like what is this? This is me in real life and me in Instagram.
Can't believe it didn't even need activator or anything. The color is pretty cool too. Yours is nice, Ameerah. Don't complain. It's
Mom,
good.
it's brown and it has maggots in it.
It's caramel color.
Although I do have to admit, it is pretty kind of like stretchy for like bubbles and stuff. It does a pretty good job at that. But it does literally look like a bunch of grinded up slugs or something. It makes pretty good bubbles. Ta-da!
Oh, nice. See, I told you.
Yeah, it just needs a makeover, guys.
Oh, this this is heavy.
Let me see yours.
Carry it, carry it, carry it, carry it.
Ooh, that is a big boy.
It's like I'm carrying Goomba or something.
Exactly what I was about to say.
I should call it Goomba. Hey, Goomba.
I just like making bubbles in mine.
Okay, let's go, Goomba.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want a part 2. And that is it. Thank you so much. And I hope I see you next time. Bye.